Hello, welcome to my class. In the last video, we discussed exercise 1.4 from the chapter Real Numbers. In this video, we are going to discuss exercise 2.1 and 2.2 from the chapter Polynomials. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like the video if you like my class and share it with your friends. I'll be bringing more and more videos. I'll be taking you more and more classes. And the purpose of this channel is to make you understand the concepts clearly. And if you can understand the concepts clearly, please try to comment it so that I can also understand whether you have understood or not and whether I have to improve my classes. Okay, so let us start now. And first question is, this is y, the graph of y equal to p of x. We have to say how many zeros are there in this graph. Okay, in these graphs. So in this graph, this is not touching x-axis. So the number of zeros is 0. There are no zeros in this graph. Okay. And here this is touching x-axis at one point, which means number of zeros is 1. And this is touching the x-axis at, so number of zeros is 3. And here at 2 points, so number of zeros is 2. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of zeros is 4 and here 1, 2, 3. So number of zeros is 3. Okay. Next question is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. And the first question is x square minus 2x minus 8. That is, we have to find the zero of this quadratic polynomial. And we know that a zero of a polynomial is the value of x for which this polynomial is 0. So this is equal to 0. Value of x for which this is 0 is called the zero of the polynomial. So to find the zero of this polynomial, we have to factorize this. This is equal to x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. That is, we are doing by splitting the middle term. So we can write this as minus 2x can be written as minus 4x plus 2x. Then minus 8 equal to 0. So we can take x from these two terms, x out from these two terms, and we can write it as x minus 4 plus. We can take 2 out from both these terms. So we'll get this as x minus 4 equal to 0. Which means x plus 2 into x minus 4 equal to 0, and that means x equal to minus 2 and x equal to 4 are the zeros. That is, minus 2 and 4 are the zeros of this polynomial. Now we have to check the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients, and we know that sum of zeros should be equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros is equal to c by a. Is it correct here? Now minus b by a is equal to minus of minus 2 by 1, which is 2. And what is sum of zeros here? 4 minus 2. That is minus 2 plus 4 is 4 minus 2, which is 2. It is correct, right? And product of zeros is c by a, that is minus 8 by 1, which is minus 8. And what is product of zeros here? 4 into minus 2 is minus 8. So the relationship between coefficients and zeros is correct, and we have done it correctly. Okay. Next one, find the zeros of this polynomial. So 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0, which means 4s square minus 2s plus 1 is equal to 0. So taking 2s out from this, we will get 2s minus 1, and minus 1 out from this, we will get 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. We can write this as 2s minus 1 because minus 1 into 2s is minus 2s. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So we have 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, which means 2s equal to 1, that means s equal to 1 by 2. So the roots are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. There are two roots and they are equal, that is the values of s we got are 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now, what is sum of zeros? Sum is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 1. And is it correct? If minus b by a is minus of minus 4 by 4, which is minus of minus 4 is plus, that is plus 4 by 4, which is 1. Sum equal to 1. It is correct. Now, what is product? Product is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which is 1 by 4. We'll check that now. C by A. What is C by A? 1 by 4. Okay. And this polynomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. That is why we are saying sum is b by a, that is coefficient of x by the coefficient of x square minus of coefficient of x. Minus b by a means minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square, and c by a means this constant term by the coefficient of x square. Okay. Zeros of this. So we can write this as it is equal to 0. Then it is 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 equal to 0. Which means we can take 2x out from this. We will get 3x plus 1. And if we take minus 3 out from this, we will get 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Which means 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And that means 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Which means 2x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 by 2. Right? And this is 3x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 3. So what is the sum? Sum equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 9 minus 2 by 6, and that is equal to 7 by 6. Is it correct? Minus of minus, it is sum is minus b by a. That is minus of minus 7 by 6, which is 7 by 6. So this is correct. Sum is correct. Now product is equal to, product of roots is 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3 is minus 1 by 2. And what is C by A? C by A is minus 3 by 6, which is minus 1 by 2. So it is also correct. So we have verified the relationship between sum of zeros and the coefficients also. Okay. So we have done the third question also. Now we will proceed to the fourth question. Next is 4u square plus 8u. So what we can take as common? 4u, right? And u plus 2. So if we take 4u out from this, we will have 4u into u plus 2, and this is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0, which means u equal to 0, that is 4u equal to 0 and u plus 2 equal to 0. And that means u equal to 0 and u is equal to minus 2. So what is the sum of roots? Sum equal to 0 plus minus 2, which is equal to minus 2, and product equal to 0 into minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now we will find the relationship between sum of zeros, product of zeros, and the coefficients. Sum is minus b by a, which is equal to minus 8 by 4, which is minus 2. Is it correct? Correct. Then product is c by a. There is no constant term here. It is 0. So c by a is 0 by 4, which is 0. So this is also correct. So we have verified the relationship also. Now next question is t square minus 15. Find the zeros of the polynomial and verify the relationship. So t square minus 15 equal to 0. And t square minus 15 is t plus root 15 into t minus root 15, because a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this as t plus root 15 into t minus root 15 equal to 0, which means t equal to plus or minus root 15. Okay. Now what is sum of zeros? Sum equal to root 15. That is, the roots are root 15 plus root 15 and minus root 15. So sum is root 15 minus root 15, which is equal to 0, and product is root 15 into minus root 15, which is equal to minus of root 15 into minus is there, and root 15 into root 15 is root of 15 square, which is 15. So minus 15. Now we will check the relationship. Here sum is equal to 0. And what is the coefficient of t here? It is like plus 0 into t. So the coefficient of t here is 0. And sum is minus b by a, which is minus 0 by 1, which is 0. And product is c by a. C here is minus 15. Minus 15 by 1, which is equal to minus 15. So sum is 0 and product is minus 15, and the relationship is correct. So what we have done is correct. Okay. Next one, 3x square minus x minus 4. So this is equal to 0. 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Which means 3x into x plus 1 minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. Which means 3x minus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. And that means 3x minus 4 equal to 0 and x plus 1 equal to 0. So 3x equal to 4 and x equal to 4 by 3. Here x equal to minus 1. Okay. And what is the sum of roots? Sum equal to 4 by 3 minus 1, which is equal to 4 minus 3 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. And product equal to 4 by 3 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 4 by 3. Okay, now we will check the relationship, that is minus b by a. Sum equal to minus b by a, which is minus of minus 1 by 3, which is equal to 1 by 3. And this is correct. And what is product? Product equal to c by a, that is minus 4 by 3, which is also correct. Understood? Next is find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of the polynomials. Okay, so this is the sum. Sum is equal to 1 by 4 and product is equal to minus 1. And a quadratic polynomial can be written as x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. Okay, so this can be written as x square minus sum is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into x plus product is minus 1. So this can be written as 4 into, if we multiply this by 4, we will get 4 into x square minus 1 by 4x minus 1, right? Which is equal to 4x square minus x minus 4. So, the quadratic polynomial whose sum of zeros is 1 by 4 and product of zeros is minus 1 is 4x square minus x minus 4. Okay. Next one, sum of zeros is root 2, product of zeros is 1 by 3. So, x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, which is equal to x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. We can multiply this by 3, which will give x 3 into x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3, which is equal to x square 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So the quadratic polynomial that we get is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. Okay. Next one, 0 root 5. So we can write this as x square plus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, which is equal to x square plus 0 into x plus product is root 5. So this is equal to x square plus root 5. Okay. Next one, sum of roots 1, product of roots 1. So it is x square minus sum into x plus product. You have to write this as first step. The quadratic polynomial is of the form x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. And that is equal to x square minus 1 into x plus 1, which is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Next one is minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. So you can write this as x square minus sum into x plus product, which is equal to x square minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4, which is equal to x square plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Now multiplying all these by 4, we will get 4x square plus x plus 1. So the quadratic polynomial is 4x square plus x plus 1. Okay. Next one, sum is 4, product is 1. So we can write it as x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product, which is equal to x square minus 4x plus 1.